Hello, and welcome back to Oolykee Gaming, and welcome back to another episode of Soviet Skylines. And today we're gonna be focusing on the petrol stations. Okay, focused. Now let's move on important things. Now let's resolve this first. So, we have a couple of issues with the petrol stations. I said we're gonna have petrol stations around here. In the beginning of the city, yes, Mr. Weltier noticed that, and of course we kind of failed to do so. Let me see if we have everything here. Yeah, you can see that we're gonna need electrical components here. I'm pretty sure that Weltier, General Weltier is gonna need to fix this. Rest of the roads, well, they're gonna slowly start to build them. Now, petrol stations, I said we're gonna have a couple of them here. Obviously, we don't have enough space on the hillside to place petrol stations, fuel stations, gas stations, whatever stations. We have these ones here. Now, question. Actually, this is not a question, this is something I need to do. I need to upgrade these roads to there we go, to electricity hoses roads. There we go. Because it was a good idea from Aya and Mr. Stutz that we should have the lights on the roads. Now you can see, yeah, this is exactly what we were talking about. Doesn't matter in which direction you put these lights, they're gonna do their own thing. You see these lights here? When I was placing this road, actually they were on the opposite side. They were both in the middle, which I don't really care. But since you're building this kind of road, you probably want to have you know, some kind of equilibrium between them. Is it the proper word even? Uniformity. Both of them on the right hand side just looks horrible. Okay, if we look at this. Now here they're on the opposite side. Yeah, you can't get it right here. It is, I understand it is when you place them. Let's demonstrate this. When you place the roads, so we're gonna go for normal roads, 1 and 2, and let's try to upgrade them. So we have upgrades here. You can see that the lights are in the middle, so they're going towards the other side. And when you place them, okay, now they look fine. And in this case, let's try the opposite side. So we're gonna have lights in the middle. They teleport on the other side. So they have the mind of their own. I'm not really sure how this works, but obviously, what I can assume from this, that they already noticed that this central part is kind of taken, and they teleported to, you know, other side or something. It would be much nicer if we can have them on both sides. Let's do a little bit of a test here. If we place 2 roads parallel to each other, and let's do the first one first. So if we do it like this, okay, this is obviously not what we want. We want it on this side. Okay, they teleport in the middle. I have no idea why is this. And then if you want them on that side, they are on that side. If we do it in the opposite way, so if we have 2 parallel roads, and let's try it with the upper one first. So we want lights in the northern part, so like this. Okay, and then we want lights on the southern part. This is not the southern part, or well, the one towards us. Okay, now this works. I have no idea. So one in this direction. Okay, I'll try to play with this. I'll leave this as it is, because in order to change this, I think I'm gonna have to demolish the road, and that's something that I don't want to do. Okay, continuing on, petrol stations. Yes, I think we need more petrol stations here. Actually, do we? Yeah, but probably somewhere a little bit further down the road here. Do we have any electricity hoses around here? Let's try. And also we're gonna have to upgrade this. Unfortunately, first, the most important thing for us is to finish this roundabout and these connections to the city. Okay, this is practically done. General Welters, that's over road, that's fine. Okay, the roundabout, you can finish it whenever you finish it. And then later on, as we mentioned previously, we're going to be connecting this road to the roundabout, I believe. No, I will connect this road to the roundabout, but I'm not going to demolish this road. So we're going to have a complex crap in here. Right, nighttime, beautiful time. Let's see what's happening around the country. Let's check the messages. So we have 1 page of messages. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, let's see. The train waiting for too long. Okay, is there a train waiting for too long? No. Okay, go away. What else do we have? Traffic jam, fire extinguished. We don't need those. Let's see. Fire extinguished. These are the messages that we don't... Yeah, these are the waiting for unloading. Heating problem. We know about that one. That's next to the oil fields. Happiness too low. Is that the old message? Probably it is. Let's check this. Happiness is too low. Of course it is. It is. The happiness is too low here, but that's from the previous episode. We resolved this issue, but okay. What? Stop production? Don't stop production. No workers? Whoa, 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 whoa. Fire extinguished. Go away. Collision. Train cannot pass. Go away. Screw you. Right. So we need to. Ooh. What the hell is this? Oh, we don't have a proper fueling. We have a petrol station here in the mountains. Okay, that's a little bit of a problem. I kind of tend to agree that this is a little bit of a problem. Okay, let's go and try to resolve this. Let's go to mods. Let's go for the railroad transformer. What? No. Gas station. GGG. Here we go. Key. Here we go. Gas station. I was thinking more towards this area, but maybe this area here would be nice. Now, this is gonna have to have overpass or something because of the railroad here, so I shouldn't be building it too far away. But what about here? Is this going to be in anybody's way? Probably. I'm pretty sure it will. So let's just do it. So build it like this. We're gonna have the we're gonna have lights here, of course. We're gonna do the voodoo. We're gonna do the best job we can. The automation is gonna do everything that it needs, but we need Mr. General here as well to finish this. So we're gonna have a gas station here. We're gonna have a gas station there. They're close enough. Yeah, and the buses here, who is you? You are the fueling truck. Ronnie, truck full of fuel doesn't have fuel. Well, here's a trick for you. Tell them to go to the, this is an ideal location because we know that there's fuel here. Tell them to go here in the mountains. After he's part of the way there, we're gonna tell him to go back. Now, this is no joking matter. We have a heating issue here again. Let's check this. This is the Well-Tier New Coal. Well-Tier New Coal. Well-Tier New Coal. It has 5 vehicles. Line-spaced vehicles, and they're still not delivering. Like, obviously this truck was full and it's taking passengers back. Okay, they just disappeared. Maybe it was a little bit of an issue because these passengers disappeared pretty fast. Maybe it was an issue with the amount of time that it took them to get here. This one is not full. Let's see. It's 9 workers in there. Obviously, they're not gonna have any work. I just wanted to see if they're gonna stay there or not. Because I have a feeling that keeping them line spaced... No, they have time. They have time. Okay. I have time. Sure. He didn't deliver anybody because they didn't require any workers. That's fine. Okay. I wanted to say I can understand this, but I can't. I can't really. But anyway, the heating plant is working, so that's fine. The other thing I still can't understand. Come on, guys, help the brother out. Why are these? Ooh. Yeah, they were lower because there was no heat. Why is this one directly connected to heating plant colder than the ones that the exchangers? And trust you me, these pipes are a little bit even longer. They are all parallel to each other, as you can see. Actually, the closest one we have, the left-hand side one, is the shortest one. So this pipe here is the shortest one, and yet heating here is... Does it have to do with this, that we didn't remove the other pipeline? Let's test this out. We have a heating pipeline here, and maybe I'm just putting too much emphasis on this and it's just a useless piece of crap. Let's try it like this. Why can't I remove this? Go away. There we go. Okay, will this pipe inflow? Maybe it was leaking heat there. I have my doubts, but maybe it was. No, it looks like it's stabilized. I can even see it going a little bit colder at the moment. Probably again, people work. No, okay, they're doing fine. Are they doing fine? Yeah, it's working without issues. Storage is full. F3 and go away. Okay, where are you now? This guy is here. Okay, open it and just tell him. Just tell him off you go. Tell him off you go, and he's gonna go and refuel here because he's empty on fuel. As you can see, totally empty. And there's a gas station here, and he's gonna go and refuel. Go. Refuel, son. Refuel. Isn't there... Why didn't I make a gas station around here? This is kinda stupidest thing I ever did. Well, not stupidest. Oh, maybe we don't have enough pipes. But gas stations have additional storage. Do they have? Well, some of them do, don't they? Oh, okay, maybe just the vanillas. Well, maybe I'm wrong. Let's see here. These are railroads, we need roads, and we need a gas station. No, I thought the gas stations have the pipes that you can have additional storage attached to them. Oh, that's weird. Anyway, doesn't matter. We have a lot of trucks here, and passing through these streets, I think it would be the best thing we can do here is just put another gas station in this area here. Connect it, build it, pause it. No, we don't need to pause it. Upgrade this to the highest level, and then let's have the general whale tier that has everything under the sun to construct this. So we have 3 new gas stations being built. This one here is gonna be... I don't know, it's gonna be. That's it. That's the best I can do. That one is just going to be... I was thinking like this one is gonna be for the whale tier and people passing through the old road and this kind of stuff. Oh, it's done. Perfect. Whale tier should start on this one. So who? What? How is this not... What? Why is this not connected to anything? Why can't I build this? They say that the construction... They say that the construction... office is not in range or something. Let's see. Oh, that's not... What? Oh, no. Okay, that's strange. Pause, auto search, 1 kilometer. Oh, the road... Ah, right, my bad. The road is not done. Auto search, just turn it off. Ah, damn it. After I pressed auto search, they probably... Doesn't matter. It's fine. Let them have fun. Okay, continuing on. Galask. And let's see. Trains are doing fine. City looks peachy. Water tower is a hit. I like it. Water tower. How is heating here? Absolutely boiling. The key people are living with their windows and doors open. That's perfect. Let them have fun. Food is stable. Meat production. Okay, let's talk about the meat production. This is something that I would like to address. Now, bear in mind that we increased our population relatively significantly in last couple of episodes. You remember that when we had around 30,000 people, we were struggling with meat production, so we built a whole new meat production area over here. Well, those days are behind us. Well, not really, but there's no meat issue. I mean, we did increase the livestock production, and these Kirovets tractors are transporting cattle from there to the slaughterhouse, so, well, that's happening, and this is more than enough for our meat production for the whole country. I would reckon that we even have overproduction of meat, that we can even export, which is out of the question. We're not gonna touch that subject. What we're gonna do now is the most important part of our expansion. I will quickly check all the construction offices because I'm pretty sure that I gave them everybody something to do. Everybody should be really busy. Okay, excavator here, that's fine. What I wanted to say, we're gonna start with the mechanical components industry. This should not be too much of a problem. This should be around here. So we said that this is gonna be a little bit tricky, and definitely it will, trust you me. Definitely it will. I was thinking of getting a different loading facility for coal somewhere and having a new train system delivering this coal into the coal power plant. We do have this small train that is coming in here and delivering, I don't know, 40-50 tons of coal. Where is he? He's so tiny that we can't even see him. Here he is. He's delivering this, and we have the storage area here for steel, which is decently stored. I wanted to build this train that goes in there, but you know what? I think we're gonna have a problem with this. I think I'm gonna have to change these plans. Okay, changing plans. Straight away, we're not gonna do the little trains right now because it's gonna be a little bit overcomplicated for us, for our big brains. We're gonna have to do it in some other way. We have all the industries here. So what I was thinking, okay, back to the basics. I was thinking of putting an airport here, similar to this helicopter platform. I was thinking of getting an airport next to here so we can source our people from here. Sorry about that. So I wanted to source our people from here, from Nisesberg and Murmansk for our airport. So this is kind of planned area for a new airport. Well, it's the central airport where we're gonna have our bushwhackers, bush pilots, Alaskan bush pilots delivering workers to the front line. Okay, so should we start with this then? Let's see, do we have any other location for our mechanical components factory? We need steel for that, and steel is everywhere, so steel is not a problem. Mechanical components factory location is a problem. Second problem is the airport. Airport, should it be from the capital city? No, I don't want it from capital city. I want it from somewhere else. I want it from here. Okay, let's do this. Let's just put this out of the way. So we're gonna have airport right over here. We have the small airport building that I'm gonna use again. That would be platform station, and then we're gonna have this airport terminal. Yes, this is the airport terminal we wanted. Okay, I think it's in this direction. And how is topography here? Ooh, tricky, but that's fine. I think we're gonna make it. Is this gonna be enough space? Well, one way to find out. Let's go and dip our toes in. We're gonna need two small takeoff areas. So one around here, the second one around here. And the airstrip is gonna be something like this. We said we needed, let's say, 275 meters. That's fine. And then we're gonna need to connect this to the rest of the construction network. This is airport road connection. This is where all the airport construction will happen from. And then we need to have this one and this one. Ooh. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. Let's have it here. Hillside Airport. There we go. I think it's decent. I think it's okay. Mother roads, all that good stuff. Yes, I'm fine with this. Mother... Oh, bollocks. Okay. There we go. Right, and I'm gonna start on the footpath connection. They can walk on mud, but hey, it's our people. They're gonna walk on high quality gravel. Okay, can we do it here? Nope. We can do it here though. And then here and here. There we go. This is gonna be done by footpath office. I'm pretty sure they're gonna make it. Okay, so this is done. So totally something different that I didn't expect to build in this episode. There we go. Now we come to the mechanical components factory. Of course, probably that would require a new city. And let's see, Markusovo and Statsovo. How you guys doing? How you doing? How you doing? You have 26 unemployed people. That's way too low. They cannot export electrical components. I'm pretty sure we have that truck delivering electrical components. As you can see, yes, we do. But I needed this truck back. Let me try to find this truck. That would be covered hull, covered hull. And here we go. This one here. So what we're gonna do now is find this. Do we have this path? This would be called Statsovo Warehouse. That would be under S. Statsovo Warehouse. There we go. So this is the one. This is gonna be electrical components. You know what? No. What am I doing? Okay, let's leave it at the electrical components because this is gonna stop now. This is gonna stop. Electrical, you know what? Yeah. This is gonna stop as soon as we have distribution. Oh, okay, I thought it was done. I was like, really? Done? Yay! No. Actually, they're constructing it. As soon as this is done, we're gonna have electrical components being distributed from here by distribution office all around the country. So it's gonna be a single distribution office distributing all the electrical components around the country, similar to this distribution office that is distributing electronics all over the country. So yeah, something like this. And I think this windmill here is causing so much problems for us. What's with this? This is not assigned to anybody. This needs to be to Statsovo General. Let's go with this one. Statsovo General. This one is done, but nobody is constructing this. Probably because it needs to be constructed from... No, it has to be from downside. Okay, that's fine. Statsovo General can construct this. Now, I was worried because I thought these lights were flickering. Were they flickering? What's the wind speed? 8 meters per second. This production is minuscule. Pathetic. Oh, that's a good coffee. Okay, right. Continuing on. Koptigrad. Koptigrad has several construction offices here, and they look busy. We have one excavator here, and we have 0 excavators here. No, we have 1 in each side, at least that I can see. Fine, let's get them work. Let's find them work. 2 excavators. I'm pretty sure that these guys are done, and this one requires groundwork. Perfect. So Kopti 2, you're gonna go and deal with this road construction over here. Perfect. That's done, and close it. What about this? Why is this not connected? Oh, because we didn't finish this road, and finally it's done. So let's go and build this one. And now this is a geothermal power plant, and the other Kopti is gonna start on the geothermal power plant. What's with this? This requires buses. How are we doing with the buses? They look pretty free, so let's... Yeah, they have only 4 construction projects. This one... Oh, no. Small geothermal power plant, no. Cables. Electricity hoses. More hoses. More hoses. I have a feeling that all of these are just hoses, yeah. Hoses. I'm gonna assume that these are hoses too. Oh, yeah, probably yes, but they also need steel. So Kopti 1, and this one is gonna be Kopti 2. Too bad, because you know what's an interesting? Why don't they? There's 2 construction projects going from the same location. Think about this: the 2 construction projects both are gonna be constructed either from here or from here. They're gonna need 2 different, vehicles delivering. Even though this is like 0.4 tons and this is 0.4 tons, they both gonna be delivered with 2 different trucks. Even though one of them can deliver this. Interesting. I mean, like, I'm not complaining about this. It's fine. It's how the cookie crumbles. Oh, fuel is done. A chemical area is done. All of this is. Oh, this is done as well. Ooh, we need to finish railroad and get this up and running. Mechanical components, Oolykee, and mechanical components. Okay, focus on chemicals first. Pause. You know what? Mechanical components. You know why? Because I can plan for all of this, but nobody is going to construct this because... Oh, buses. Where's the buses? Here we go. More people, more... buses need to finish this. So I can focus on this, but we're going to need a lot of vehicles to construct this, and at the moment we don't have... We have some vehicles. Damn it. But we don't have enough vehicles to finish this, so I'm gonna have to focus on other things first. And that would be probably that I wanted to make a topic of this episode, the mechanical components, but I still don't know where to put it. So she said. And the option that I can see here would be maybe in this area where the airport is. Now, more industries around here, I don't think this is gonna be a problem, because our current... Ooh, I wanna see this. Where's the little train? Where's the little train? I paused this because I need to find the little train. Lidl's little train. This is a train that delivers stuff to Lidl's. Lidl being a shopping centers all over Europe. German ones. Okay. So he looks like it's in there. Let's check all vehicles related, and we need SM. Nope, that's not the one. This is the one. Where are you? He is in there. He is right in there. Look at this. We are missing 4 tons of... we only have 4 tons of coal. He's just arriving in there with 50 tons of coal. Did I tell them to... Did I tell them to wait until unloaded? Yes, I did. Absolutely perfectly timed. Look at this. 4 tons of coal left. He's going in there. He's going to start unloading and keep the party going. There was a... I forgot which comedian was it. That Jesus was black because only black because he turned the water into alcohol to keep the party going. But anyway, so this is keep the party going, and we're going on. It's going on. Right, continuing on, we have absolutely no need for this, but I'll leave it anyway. Mechanical components factory. Do we have? Yes. We do have beautiful component, but that would definitely look for... I would definitely would like to have a new city for this. Mechanical components, we have several different models, and I would like to use them both. I think Mr. Rob... I'm thinking, like I don't know what mods Mr. Robs has, but Mr. Robs has several mechanical components factories. So this is one of them that uses 3 tons of steel to create 1.5 tons of mechanical components, and the second one would be here that uses 11 tons of steel to create 7.5 tons of mechanical components. Now I have to warn you that the smaller one here actually is wasting more steel than the smaller one, so this one is less productive. So if you think you're gonna get away with something by building a smaller factory is gonna be more useful, no, it's actually more steel required. So 50% more steel than mechanical components is required. Well, here you get 7.5 tons of this is more vanilla. This is more like vanilla, but the factory is huge. So this is what I was thinking of building, but again, I'm afraid the temporary solutions will be the end of us. I think I would like to have a new city. Now, do we want to design a new city? I really need to do something about this because I really wanted to create our own mechanical components production. So let's see if we can be wasteful. What is our mechanical component consumption? So let's go for our trade, and let's go for our here we go, and overall production. Actually, there's no production of mechanical components. I need consumption. Not this one. There's no mechanical components here, so this is construction. We need citizen facilities, vehicles, fuel. No, wait. It would be under construction, yes. So this is January. Let's see last year. Last year we consumed 67 tons of mechanical components. If we have 1.5, yeah, we're building this. Okay, so we are building a new factory over here that is going to be gravitating towards, well, this area. We're going to have the small temporary mechanical component factory, the one that wastes a lot of resources. So let's build this real quickly. This is gonna be here, close to this train station, and it's gonna be just like, you know what, we can do it here. They have access on this side, and we're gonna have to have storage, and we're gonna have to have a cargo station. Okay, so let's have a storage. Mr. Rob's storage, 200 tons. We need, actually, let's have both storages. Small storage here, small storage there, small storage everywhere. So small storage, this is for steel, and then we're gonna have to have small storage for mechanical whoa, that's not small. Is this small? This is small. This is small. But not that one. We need to point it in a different direction because we need to have a cargo station that is going to be servicing both of them. Can you please go away? We don't need you. Without connections. There we go. And then connect it with industrial connection over here, of course. It would be nice if I can just relocate this building, but no, let's demolish it. Again, under the storages, we have this one here. We can build it like this. I think it's a little bit more space. NASA. Come on. There we go. there. Much better. Okay, and now we need a cargo station in between that is going to be connecting both of these bad boys. Okay, cargo station, cargo station, cargo station. If I was a cargo station, where would I be? Okay, this looks like crap. Okay, this doesn't look like crap. Okay, the most important part of all of this is the right-hand side, the right-hand side. I think it's in the wrong direction. Yeah, this is in the wrong direction. We need to point it in the opposite direction, which is even better, because I'm gonna tell you that this is what you, well, if you want to be idealist, which I definitely am not, you need to think about which side your trucks are gonna go on. So let's try to connect this first, and I'm gonna explain. So there we go. We have a cargo station that's going to be delivering steel and taking the mechanical components away. Right, so we have trucks, and we're going to connect them all the way here. So we have something like this, and then feng shui, 90-degree angles right there. Perfect. Okay, so what I was talking about was this. We're going to need to build this one later, but let me put it just as a showcase access for this. Doesn't matter, it can be, let's do it like this. Okay, so your trucks are going to be coming in here in this road. Doesn't matter from which direction, but they're going to be coming to this road. And they're going to go on the right hand side. Now, if they go directly into this and then go all the way around, they're going to be intersecting with each other here. But if we tell them to go right hand side, right hand side, right hand side, they're going to be keeping on the right hand side here all the way. And then here they're going to be on the right hand side. So these trucks going left, they're not going to be interfering with themselves. I will have to finish this one later because I don't want to cut into this earlier, but I'm gonna have to finish these roads first. We have this warehouse that can be also done later. I think we're gonna have to asphalt crap load of stuff around here, but that's not important at the moment because vehicles, we can upgrade the road later. What we're gonna do here is we need to create this footpath which is being actually constructed. Doesn't really matter that it's in, you know what, let them finish this first. Oh, please don't go. Why are they, didn't I, looks like I didn't. Why are our people using, oh, this is not gonna be constructed ever. Darn. Okay, doesn't matter, use the mud roads. Right, so what I wanted to say is we don't need the asphalt roads in the beginning. People are gonna be using this to go to work. I fragmented this, but they're going to be assigned manually again to all of this, and they're going to finish this later. Also, this one, you know what? We can start on this one as well if we do. That doesn't really matter. There we go. We can start on constructing all of these. And what about this one? Okay, this one is going to have to. Will it have to wait? No, it won't. Oh, it will. No snapping. Let's see if we can build anything here. What? Here we go. What do you mean you can't access it? There we go. So we can construct all of these. The roads are going to be constructed automatically. You can see that this one is too short. This one is going to need a capital footpath as well. I'm pretty sure the capital city has a lot of free stuff or free equipment to build crap. So let's check this out because they're going to be in charge of this. Bollocks. Right, so no, they don't have a lot of free stuff. Obviously, I kept them busy. Okay, what are they constructing? Let's check. 1 and 2. Okay, so we have number 1 first. So this is number 1. They are constructing this, 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 and this. How is this, this, and this doing? This is almost... Well, it's gonna take a while. This one... Oh, this one is done, but they don't have any excavators here. This one, that's done. Okay, obviously they have only like 2 or 3 projects that they're using excavators for. It can wait. Okay, let's make them wait. Let's let them do the voodoo that they do so well. So let them have fun. I'm gonna speed up some of the projects that they have because you already saw that we have some of the buildings that have almost all materials delivered. Kinda. They have all the materials delivered, but they are not. They're missing concrete here for example. This is an interesting thing. Why are they missing concrete? There is concrete here, and why do you say no concrete? There are concrete trucks here not going anywhere. It says here the source of gravel is empty, missing trucks with covered hull. We don't care about that. But yeah, we can remove this then. Remove this mechanical and electrical components, and I think it's the same issue here. And why are they looking for workers? Okay, looks like they have cement assigned, but they're not delivering this cement. Well, actually, let's see. Oh, they are. Okay, so they're delivering cement. Perfect. This is exactly what we need. Concrete. Cement. Concrete. Here we go. We have another one that needs a groundwork finish. Groundwork phase finished. Okay, so the first some... Wait a minute. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where were you loading? All the way here. Is this the one that still has a problem with gravel? Yeah, kinda. We still didn't get the gravel here. Let's see the train. What's with the train? Where is you? Train is on the way. Train is just around the corner. Okay, they should get a gravel soon. What about this one? Why are you not sourced here? This one is full of gravel. So let's source these guys from over here. So we have concrete. Let's source concrete from here. Let's do the second one as well. So let's source concrete from here. Okay, so is that it? I think it's it. Come on, can you send some mixers? There we go. There we go. Come on, more. Show me more. Show me the money. Okay, we have mixers assigned here. They're coming. We have people delivered here. They're working. We need to finish this. This is the bus responsibility. I think I need to go back to reassigning all these buses. Assigning buses to constructions. What's this? Groundwork phase. Okay, this is heating plant and groundwork phase. Okay, so buses are assigned here. I'm pausing this. We have this one. Still constructing. We have the Bolshoi Theater. Still under construction. There we go. This is what we need. We need this one. This one is being... they have a concrete being delivered. That's perfect. They need workers here. They will need workers here. So what's this? This is the department store. Perfect. What's this? Tower house. They're still working on the groundwork phase. I'm not going to mess with this. This one here. What do you need? Groundwork phase. Okay, you're not being... Okay, these are done. Oh, this one. There we go. Perfect. Buses. Capital bus, go. Okay, I think most of the construction now it's being done. Here we go. More. Perfect. Capital bus, go away. We have steel here. What do you need? People as well for this stage. First, buses, of course. Anything else? This is going to be something different. Groundwork here. It requires excavators. Groundwork or excavators. There's nobody assigned to these. That's fine. Let them wait because we don't need residential buildings at the moment. Okay. Ooh, this is hospital. Power supply. Yeah, I should probably think about this as well. Power supply. Let's see footpaths here. We have crap load of footpaths being constructed. I probably should... Yeah, let's play with electricity a little bit. When I was a kid, when I was just a wee young lad running around, I took my mother's long sewing needle, that 15 centimeters long, something for like, I don't know, some kind of sewing. It's not sewing, it's, I don't know, something like that. And I decided to put it in electrical outlet. Bang. This is why UK has the best outlets in the world. They have a plastic protection. If you don't put the 3-plug thing that removes the protection, you cannot get electrocuted, or it's really hard. Well, in the where I came from, that's a big hazard. Well, everywhere it is except UK type plugs, I believe. Anyway, doesn't matter. But then I decided to be electrical engineer later in life, which sucks. No, it's fine. But anyway, so we have these buildings to be constructed. That's fine. I'll leave them alone. I wanted to focus on electrical infrastructure. So where are we now? We are in our capital city area. We have all this train infrastructure that needs to be constructed. We have a couple of bridges. That's fine. I'm probably going to start on this quite soon, but I wanted to finish this first. So we have electrical infrastructure here. The capital city buses are going to get a lot of work. Well, they're going to have to do a lot of work. This is for our railroad infrastructure. That's fine. That's going to be constructed. And what do we need? Do we have this finished? Yes. Do we have electricity? Yes. Perfect. There we go. We are ready to put the electricity hoses. Well, let's go with everywhere. Do we have this connected to any electricity? Do we have any electricity anywhere? Where's the closest electricity here? Let's see. This one. This is the only one. What about you? The same. Okay, so let's go for power transformers, power substations. There we go. We're gonna go for urban ones, so it's around here. Okay, so we need to cover this area. Let's go for this one first. Where do we have space for this? This is way too far. Let's see. Again, where is this electricity? Is it here? I think this one here. Yeah, that's the substation here. Substation is covering everything. Come on, go away. Covering everything just practically to the train station. So we need to have train station covered. So it needs to be somewhere around here. Because of the redundancy, I think I'm gonna create a little bit better coverage of the area with substations. So let's put one substation in this area here. Bang. Perfect. Because this is gonna require, you know what? Let's do it. It's gonna take some time. There's no rush. You can build, you know what? No, this is totally different than everything else. Let's just construct substation first, not related to anything. We have access to this building on the side. Substation is not important. Okay, so we have one substation here. I wanted to build one more around here. And I'm gonna do the similar plan like this. We're gonna go for these bad boys and put them right here where we don't have a lot of, no, maybe a little bit further. Let's see, what's the coverage again? Oh, coverage is crap. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for, let's go with this one here. And I'm gonna go and create a footpath mud one so they can start on this straight away. Okay. And then I'm just putting a lot of work here for our construction offices in the capital city area, and those are exactly the ones that I need to construct new. Those are exactly the ones I need for them to construct. What is this? No, let's just go straight forward to all the way here. That's fine. They don't have to be parallel to this. It's underground. I think it's gonna be fine. There we go. And I'm giving them more work here exactly where I don't want to. I wanted to finish this construction. Right, this one here. And well, everything around here, and I just gave them more work to do there. Okay, you know what? Let them focus on this for a while, and let's go at what's happening in the nuclear city. Nuclear city construction area looks quite unbusy. That's a word. They look like they're not busy. I don't like that. I like them to be busy. What's with this? This cannot be constructed until the rest of it is constructed. What's with this? What's with this? Steel, workdays, capital 1, 2, nuclear 1, 2. Okay. Nuclear buses. Go. Construct this. What's with this? This is done. Okay. That's for planes. Let's leave that alone. What's with this one here? You need... you know what? Let's do it like this. Nuclear 1 and nuclear 2. Let's go with nuclear 2. They're full. They can construct the crap out of this place. So why are they not? Okay, this is done. I think this one requires excavators. Why is this not being constructed by excavators? Stop, no workers, no mechanisms. Why? Where? And this is what? This is nuclear 1. Okay, nuclear 1. Nuclear 1 is right here. Why are you not working? Building without power supply. There is no selected source of workers platform. That's fine. I don't give a rat's ass about that. Is it fuel, maybe? Because... What about this one? Oh, this one is not even assigned. Okay, let's go with nuclear 1. And let's see if they're gonna go and be assigned. Whoa. What about the fuel over here? Okay, power supply. What's with this? We need this finished. Okay. Again, this needs... Oh, I get it. I know what the problem is. We don't have the flatbeds for transporting the cranes. Okay. That can be solved easily. We have the good cranes. Ooh. There we go. What? I thought I did everything nice. I just allowed the cranes to go on their own. Oh, darn it. That's fine, that's fine. I don't mind. Ah, they're slow. Are they slow? They're slow. Okay. Okay, why? How did I miss this one? What is this? We need 4. What's this was thing? So we have these was and these ones. They're named the same. How am I supposed to know which ones are which? Ah, darn it. Okay, yes, this is the problem. These flatbed oases cannot carry anything. Okay, so let's demolish them. Let's sell them. Okay, I'll differentiate them on the screen here. So let's see. Flatbed oases are. Wow, really? No, these are smaller dumper trucks. Okay, did I sell the wrong one? No, I didn't. Okay, let's sell these 4. I'm just worried not to sell the wrong ones, so I'm gonna check which are flatbeds. So these flatbeds, they cannot carry the excavators. So let's buy them something that they can. Can Romanians carry? Let's see. Flatbeds. We only need them. No, we need them for everything. So let's go for that would be open hollow trucks. Perfect. And we need to go for total capacity. Romanians, KMZs, Romanians, 1995. They're still valid. But can they carry this excavator? Let's see this. Romanians, here we go. Excavator. Oh, no. Yes, you can. Perfect. They can. What I did right now is click on the excavator and try to manually mount it on a vehicle here. And I just did. So I can demount it. There we go. That's fine. Let them do the voodoo that they do so well. So that means Romanians can carry these excavators. Be careful. These Romanian trucks are sneaky. As Romanians are. Some of my best friends are Romanians. So don't worry about it. We're going to go for 4 Romanians. 4 Romanians. Yes. And we're gonna do the same here. I'm gonna remove some of these trucks. That will be 1. And that will be 2. And that will be 3. There we go. So we're gonna buy 4 Romanian trucks. I'm gonna tell them to deliver vehicles with the... with this method. Perfect. Okay, so they can carry everything. Currently, these guys are gonna go on their own. What's with this? We're gonna need to finish some of this stuff. Who is in charge of this? Nuclear 1, that's fine. Or some of this stuff is gonna be finished as well. That's perfect, that's also fine. We just need vehicles to be delivered there. Okay, that was my bad. So the setup here with these Mazes wasn't really working. Did I say it was? It's actually Maz. Okay. Right. Continuing on, we have our airport being constructed as well. Well, it should be constructed. I think we should get a lot of vehicles delivered now on site because we allow them to drive around. They're probably gonna go and refuel first. There we go. These are the smart boys here. What are you getting? You're getting bricks. Okay, railroad. We need to continue constructing railroad infrastructure, so I'm gonna pause this for a second. We have a railroad construction office. How many constructions are you working on? We have 2 railroads. What is this? This is the one all the way here. Okay, you can see that they're constructing this. So this is perfect. They're constructing this, and I'm pretty sure that they're constructing this. There you go. Perfect. They need to continue constructing more and faster and bigger and stuff. What about the capital city? No, we need this area first. So let's go and assign them to the front line here and here. These 2 can be constructed. And then I still didn't connect this fuel delivery system to the rest of the network. Okay, this looks a little bit crappy, so let's do it bit by bit. And then there we go. Snapping, yeah. Find me the same one. Find them. Perfect. Yeah, that's it. An exchanger. Exchanger is not installed. Where do I want exchanger? Do I want it before all of these? Yeah, why the... yeah, why the hell not? Let's go and build an exchanger over here. And over here. Perfect. Construct this. I still think there's something to be said or something to be done with these exchangers. Yeah, this was supposed to be like that. Exchangers supposed to be here because I made a really short railroads over here, and access to this area. This is a little bit longer, but that's perfectly fine. And here you can see that this is short area. So exchanger is supposed to be one for all. Of course, it's close to this intersection. A little bit better would be if this access railroad was going, you know, a little bit further and then maybe palm off left and right towards their respectable stations. So the trains going into the logistics area wouldn't wait here for this exchange to happen. Yeah. Right, we have a couple of these bad boys that are required to be constructed. The bridge here, so they're gonna require groundwork. What is this gonna be required? This is requiring that they're working on this. Let's say that they're working on this. Okay, this is gonna be, well, this is resolved. Let's go and check out what's happening in Murmansk area. Murmansk area is exactly who's gonna be building our mechanical components area. Always can count on Murmansk. Mr. Moore's area is always functional greatly. Perfect. 1, 2, and 3. This one is going to be built later. Airport as well. This one, and this is the access road for the. Why is this? What did? Oh, right. That's a road construction from here. Perfect. Everything is working fine. Everything is working perfectly fine. Right. Continuing on, I will be addressing a couple of other issues. That would be the harbor area here. Yeah, I still didn't test if this is gonna be circling around, going in circles or not. What do I need to do here? I'm thinking about this. How important is this for us? We're gonna have coal deliveries with trains. Trains are being... Well, this is all done. Where do we need an exchanger. Probably exchanger is gonna be all the way here. This, for example, is really long. This is long enough for us to have an exchanger in this area, which of course is going to have to be constructed before we put this in production. And then trains can use partially this multi-use part of railroad. I need to construct this as well. You know what? I'm going to assign this to them as soon as possible. They will not address this, you know, anytime soon, but whenever they have... What? Why is this not working? Missing resource. Okay. Gravel. Oh, right. They're actually sourcing gravel. That would be this distribution office here is sourcing gravel for the railroad construction. Pause this. From now on, you're going to be sourcing gravel from here. That's it. Sourcing gravel from here. Because this is closer and, well, better stacked. Better stacked right now. Okay, what else do we have? Nothing. Let's check what's happening around the country. Population is slowly growing up, increasing. Let's check the cities. So city here, we have 8,000 people, 178. 178. What the hell? 8,100. Anyway, we have 3,200 people here. They're pretty happy. The building in question is recovering fully. We're gonna need more. We're gonna have more people here. Actually, you know what? We can do that right now. What's happening with the footpaths? Footpaths were a big issue over here. You can see that they're being constructed slowly. This is all done. That's nice to see. This is still being constructed. So let them work on that. How are we doing with Markusovo? Markusovo is one city that I forgot to check in the last one. Oh, that's not ideal. What do you guys need? Electronics, really? The city that is producing electronics doesn't have any electronics. This looks like it's a long-standing issue that I never... Where's the alcohol? Galaska Road Cargo Station. What? Okay. Let's check here. You're going to get alcohol over here, and there's no alcohol here. Markosovo canteen. Okay, so let's resolve this first. So we're gonna resolve alcohol first, of course. This is the most important thing. Alcohol is gonna be loaded, is being loaded over here. Am I correct? Yes, this is the alcohol area. So you're not going here for alcohol anymore, you're going here. So you're gonna go there and load alcohol, and then remove this one and do this. Okay, load alcohol, that's resolved. Perfect. So the second thing we need to do is we need to get a truck that's going to be delivering electronics here, because it's not being supplied. But we can do it this way. We have electronics. Darn. We don't have electronics here either. Okay, so Statsovo and Markosovo have been enduring all this stuff for nothing. So we're going to have to quickly get them covered hull truck. Perfect, Yugoslavian one. This one was being used for alcohol. What better repurposing of this than have them deliver electronics? Now, electronics are not being used that much, so how are we going to do it? Where are we going to source them? Let's source them at the source. So what we're going to do here is electronics are being sourced here. You're going to load electronics, and then you're going to go over, I think it's this one, and you're going to be unloading electronics, and then you're going to go, you know what, let's do this this way. You're gonna go again here and load electronics, and then you're gonna go and unload electronics over here. There we go. Finally, people of Statsovo and Markosovo are gonna get electronics. My bad, my bad. Okay, Statsovo again. Statsovo is doing fine. 1,347 people. I bet that there's a lot of people that are living with their parents there. I didn't check, but that's fine. Pausing at Galask. 244 people living with their parents. Quickly check over here, it's 91, and right here it's 97. So we have already like 500 people living with their parents over there. I bet that there's no people living with their parents over here in this area, in Whale Tier. I'm just looking how much space do we have in these buildings. These one closer to refinery a little bit more. Platen bows. Platen bows are always empty. Why? Spirituality, pub, tavern, works, sports. But it's all a little bit of this, little bit of that. Spirituality looks to be the big thing. You know what? Let's don't care about this. I mean, like, I do care about this, but let's take care of it like this. We have 270 people from Galask that they don't have living with their parents. Let's resettle them here. Okay. You know what? Let's unpause this, because I will be transporting more people. You know what? That's enough for now. Let's go for these. They have 90 each, so 65, and let's say 65 initially will be fine. Just to see why. That's more or less what I have a question. Look, seaside apartments are not being used. That's incredible. What about this one? This one is almost full, but these guys were, well, not really. They were half empty, these buildings here. What's with them? They have really electronics? Okay. Let's see this. We have enough time to resolve this. Electronics. Okay, it's here, and then it's here. Why the hell do you don't have electronics? They have access. I don't know. I give up or something. They have electronics here. They have electronics over here, which probably is not in a walking distance, but still, it is in walking distance to this one. And they don't have. They say they don't have access to electronics. One more time. Let's unpause this. Both Platen bows have access to electronics. Strange. Coffee time. Yeah, I'm drinking strange coffee. No, it's really good. Right, I have no idea. I don't know why these people are complaining. I don't know why they have issues. Sports facilities, I believe I build them sports facilities as well somewhere close by. Zoo is being constructed. We have vehicles on the way, so this is being worked on. It requires concrete and steel. Please get steel here, because mixer. Well, tier. Oh! There we go. Another problem. A Whale Tier doesn't have assigned this. And then electrical and mechanical components. Are you even doing this? I don't know. Just assign it all. Yeah, I think they're doing this as well. The only thing they're not doing is people, I believe. Buses. You know they have buses as well. But well-tier construction offices are one of those that one-man armies. Okay, this one is gonna require general whale tier. They have everything assigned, so zoos should be built soon. We have these luxurious beaches here. Yeah, this is if you watch the video of Mod Monday, this is how you should build the beaches, not like I build it in Mod Monday. And one other thing, Mr. Novu mentioned this, and I totally missed this, is that they do have... The good thing to have here is under attractions, we have... I think it's under attraction. Is it under attractions, or is it under... It's a volleyball, slow beach, long beach, large, flat beach, sandy beach, wide beach. Okay, I'm missing the volleyball court. That would be under sports, I believe. Sports playing. There we go, beach volleyball. I will build this. This is gonna be like this and like this. This should be done by automation. We have two volleyball. Wow. Okay, this is amazing. Right. You know what? We're already over time, so I'm gonna leave it here. We are constructing roads. Well, there's the equipment there. Right. Actually, I'm pretty happy with today's episode, how it's progressing. We're gonna have mechanical components done soon. Whale tier is still like black hole of population or something. I have no idea where people go, why some of the buildings are empty. We can real quickly check the pollution. It's night. We should have... Yeah, look. Pollution is again a thing. But it's all for the greater good, Mr. Manuel. Greater good. Right. That's it. Like, subscribe, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it, let me know what you think. If you want to support the channel, you have the description of the video. And happy Tuesday, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.